Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Major Retired Tahir Zaman, ex-SSG. I support Imran Khan.
Air Commodore Suhail, I am with Imran Khan.
I am retired Colonel Shakir Rao. Wholeheartedly, I support Prime Minister Imran Khan against all corrupt politicians of the opposition. May Allah protect Pakistan.
I am Colonel Zulfikar. I am with Imran Khan. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am retired Lieutenant Colonel Amjad. I am with Imran Khan.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Brigadier Muhammad Wasim Anjum, retired, and I am with Imran Khan.
I am with Imran Khan, Colonel Javed Bangash.
I am Colonel Abdul Niaz. I am with Imran Khan.
I am Brigadier Javed Iqbal. I am with Imran Khan.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Brigadier Shahid Masood, retired. I support Imran Khan.
I am Lieutenant Colonel retired Agha. Without an iota of doubt, I am with Imran Khan.
I am Brigadier Javed Rashid, retired. I am with Imran Khan.
Hello, how are you doing? I am Colonel retired Amjad Hussain Khan Fakwani. Let me tell you one thing very straight. Let me tell you something very clear. That Imran Khan is a blessing for this country. Please remember this thing. He is a blessing for this country. Please support him. Love Imran Khan.